So we do need to know the difference between primary and secondary sources, and for whatever reason, themes are also included in this section, so we'll go over that as well. Okay, so a primary source is raw information and firsthand evidence. So example of primary sources could be interview transcripts, manuscripts possibly. Data is really common, or statistics, anything like that. That's just raw hard data. Work, give me some comma, and works of art could also easily be an example of any kind of a primary source. And secondary sources, which are more common, analyze or interpret a historical event or phenomenon, generally utilizing primary sources. So this is often some type of a review or critique. Those are all would be secondary sources. So examples there most commonly are books, journal articles, research reports would be another really common example of a secondary source. So if you have your mind wrapped just around what we have right here, that's all you really need to have for differences between primary and secondary sources. And then finally, the theme, right? And so really what you want to know is that the theme is a central idea and it's universal. Okay, so the nature of humanity could be a good example of a theme, or good versus evil, and you just need to be able to differentiate a theme from something like a plot. So anyway, that's themes and primary sources. Pretty straightforward, but does show up on the exam, so you need to know it.